The bald eagle, a symbol of strength and freedom, reigns supreme over the vast Alaskan wilderness.
Eagles are large, powerful birds of prey, known for their incredible eyesight, strong talons, and fearless hunting skills.
Built for the hunt, the short-toed eagle spots its prey. With incredible speed, it dives, striking the viper with... There are more than 60 eagle species, divided into fish eagles, booted eagles, snake eagles, and giant forest eagles.
Eagles have broad wings with a wingspan of 1.8 to 2.4 meters. Their eyesight is 8 times sharper
Eagles live in
than
diverse habitats including mountains, forests, grasslands, wetlands, and coasts. They are found on every continent except Antarctica.
Eagles are carnivores. They hunt fish, rabbits, snakes, birds, and small mammals. Large eagles can even catch monkeys or deer fawns.
They soar high to scan the land. During hunting, they dive at speeds of up to 240 to 320.
build huge nests called aneries. They lay 1 to 3 eggs.
Eagles are intelligent, territorial, and strong navigators. They can fly above 10,000 feet and defend their territory fiercely.
Eagles symbolize strength, freedom, courage, vision, and leadership. Many countries use the eagle as a national emblem.
Eagles face threats such as habitat loss, poaching, electrocution, and climate change. Many species are endangered and need conservation.
Eagles can fly at 120 to 160 kilometers per hour. They see UV light. Their nests can be 2
The eagle is one of the most powerful and respected birds on Earth, an icon of strength and freedom.